So I'm going to be discussing topic B and the situation where in a capitalist economy, if people are willing to pay a lot for something, then businesses will charge a lot. And I'm going to be basically talking about why this statement is going to be often true. And in order to explain why it's going to be true, I'll have to talk about price discrimination. Basically, price discrimination is when businesses often sell the same product to different customers at different prices, even though the cost of supplying the product to these different customers is going to be the same in the end. So let's say in a make-believe situation where 100 people are willing to pay $50 for a product, and there are also another group of people made up of 200 people willing to pay $100, $10 for the same product. Basically, a business would ask themselves how much would they charge for the product then in the end. So in terms of revenue in this situation, if a product sells 100 units of their product for $50, they end up receiving a revenue of $5,000. Whereas on the other hand, if the same business lowers the price to $10, but sells to the total of 300 people, they would sell 300 units of the product, and they would sell 300 units of the product for $10. This would basically give them a revenue of roughly around $3,000. And so despite being able to sell more units if they lowered the price, the difference in revenue would be roughly around $2,000. So from a business's viewpoint, they would obviously choose the option where they can maximize the revenue and would end up choosing the first option of selling their product to fewer customers, but for a greater cost.